Hi friends, how do you do? We are meeting almost after a week. Today we will discuss the properties of zero. Recently I have watched a film named 35 Oka Channa Katha Kadu. The name of the film is 35 Oka Channa Katha Kadu. It is a Telugu film. There is a student called Arun, a 6th class student and a mathematics teacher. Arun gets 0 always in maths exam. Of course, he is good at other subjects, but he never gets a single mark, scores a single mark in mathematics. So the maths teacher calls him 0 and he asks other students not to sit with Arun because they also become 0. Because when a number is multiplied by 0, any number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. So maths teacher asks not to sit any student with Arun. Arun questions, sir, why a number is multiplied by 0 becomes 0? The teacher doesn't answer the question and he asks the student not to question the fundamentals. These are the fundamentals of mathematics and you cannot question those fundamentals. In this way, the story goes. But now let us try to answer Arun's question. See here, we have 3 plates. Each plate contains 5 marbles. And the total marbles is 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5. So we can also express 5 plus 5 plus 5 as 3 into 5. So 3 fives. 3 fives, we know that 15. So 3 fives are 15. So coming to another example, there are again 3 plates and there are no marbles at all in any plate. 0 marbles, 0 marbles, 0 marbles. Then what is the total number of marbles in 3 plates? So 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 can also be expressed as 3 into 0. 3 into 0. What is the total number of marbles? 0. So 3 times 0 is 0. 3 zeros are 0. When 3 is multiplied by 0, 0. Take for example, if there are 4 plates. 4 plates containing 0 marbles. Then 4 into 0, 0. 5 plates, 5 into 0, 0. 100 plates, 100 into 0, 0. So when a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0, we can say that. Let us consider another example. Your mother has given you 3 biscuit packets and you took all the 3 biscuit packets to your school. How many? Each biscuit packet contains 5 biscuits. Each biscuit packet contains 5 biscuits. In 3 packets, there are 3 into 5, 15 biscuits. You gave 1 packet to one of your friends and you have now 2 packets. So how many biscuits do you have now? 2 into 5, 10 biscuits. And you gave another packet to another friend and now you have only 1 packet. How many biscuits do you have? 1 into 5, 5 biscuits. And then you gave the remaining biscuit packet to another friend. So you gave all the packets to your 3 friends. Now you don't have any packets. So how many biscuits do you have now? You have 0 packets. So each packet contains 5 biscuits, but you don't have any packets. 0 packets. 0 into 5, 0. You don't have any biscuits now. You don't have any packets means you don't have any biscuits. So you have 0 pack. You can also express, say that in numbers, you have 0 packets. 0 packets into 5 biscuits, 0. So when a number multiplies 0, again the product is 0. We call it in mathematics commutative property. 0 into 5, 0, 5 into 0, 0. In commutative property, through commutative property also we can say that 0 into 5, 0, because there are no packets. No packets means how many biscuits may it contain, but there are no packets. So the total number is 0. So 0 into 5, 0. In this way, the teacher might have explained Arun, when a number is multiplied by 0 becomes 0. Of course, a boy sits with a boy with 0 marks will never become 0, of course. The other boy may learn from it, learn maths from it, and he may get some marks. So it is not correct to say that don't sit with a boy with 0 marks. This is not correct. That is the moral of the film, of course. We need not discuss the climax of the film or what happened in the end. That is like that. So now let us talk about 0. 0 is the property of Indians. 0 has many properties, but it is our property. Aryabhatta, a 6th century mathematician, 1400 years back, invented 0. And he used 0. He used 0 to as a placeholder. First, Aryabhatta is the mathematician, Indian mathematician. Indians introduced 0 to the world. So he used 0 as a placeholder. What is the use of 0 in holding a place? For example, how can you write 205? 205. 205. You cannot write 205 like this. It becomes 25. 205 means 2 hundreds, 0 tens, and 5 units. So 205 can be write like this. 205. So there are no tens, 0 tens. You cannot write 10 without a 0. You cannot write 100. So 0 is very important in mathematics until and unless the scientists found 0 in mathematics, used 0 in mathematics. Mathematics was not a complete science. So 0 has a very important role. So it is a placeholder, right? Coming to the next one, Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta, a 7th century AD mathematician, used 0 to say that when a number is subtracted from the same number, it is 0. Until then, people doesn't know what comes when you subtracted 7 from 7. They didn't know because there was no 0. So he was the first man to say that when 7 is subtracted from 7, it is 0. So it became the additive identity. So if you add 0 to 7, it is 7. So the important properties, important uses of 0 in mathematics is it is a placeholder like this. It is an additive identity. When a number is added to 0, it gives the same number. That is identity property in addition. 0 plus 7, 0. 7 plus 0, 7. 100 plus 0, 100. 0 plus 100, again 100. This is additive identity of 0. Come to the next one, multiplication. When a number is multiplied by 0, it becomes 0. The product is 0, as we discussed. When a number is multiplied by 0, the product is 0. And in division, when a number is divided by 0, it is not defined. 0 division by 0 is not defined. Take for example, if 7 by 0 is 0, let us consider that 7 divided by 0 is, let us consider that 0. when 0 into 0 must be 7. It is not possible. When 9 divided by 0, if it is 0, 0 into 0 should become 9. It is not possible. So, division by 0 is not defined. It is infinite. So, to define infinite, we take the help of 0. This is all about 0, my dear friends. I think you are all enjoying my videos. If you enjoyed this video also, please like it, share it. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe it and touch the bell icon to get the updates. Until then, have a nice day. We will meet in our next video.